10 simple strategies on how to build wealth quickly. Welcome back to this new video. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important subjects in life, wealth building strategies. We all want to be financially successful and have a comfortable lifestyle, hence we need to take charge of our finances, and this begins with building wealth. So, in this video, I am going to share with you 10 proven strategies that will help you build wealth and achieve financial abundance. Strategy 1. Create a budget. The first step that you must take towards achieving financial success is to create a budget. A budget helps you understand and keep track of your expenses, so you can identify where you are spending your money and cut down on unnecessary expenditures. Strategy 2. Pay yourself first. The next step in building wealth is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a percentage of your earnings each month or paycheck towards your savings. This will help you accumulate a considerable amount of money over time, which you can then use to invest in other wealth-building strategies. Strategy 3. Invest in stocks and bonds. Another powerful way to build wealth is to invest in stocks and bonds. Investing in the stock market can be a bit daunting, but it is an excellent way to grow your money over time. It is essential to follow a well-researched investment strategy to minimize your risks. Strategy 4. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is another great way to build wealth. Real estate is a tangible asset that can increase in value over time, and it provides a steady stream of income through rent payments or property appreciation. Strategy 5. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio is critical in building wealth. It is essential to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket, because if that basket goes down, so will your wealth. Invest in a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other alternative investments. Strategy 6. Save for retirement. Saving for retirement should be a top priority for everyone. By starting early, you'll have more time to accumulate wealth, and you can take advantage of the power of compound interest. You can also take advantage of retirement plans like 401ks and IRAs. Strategy 7. Build a healthy emergency fund. Having a healthy emergency fund is essential to building wealth. Unexpected expenses can come up at any time, and having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt. When they do, you will be able to get out of it. Strategy 8. Embrace fragility. Another strategy that can help you build wealth is frugality. Living below your means can help you maximize your savings and invest more in your future. Consider cutting down on unnecessary expenses and keeping track of where you're spending your money. Strategy 9. Understand the power of compound interest. Another strategy you should consider is to take advantage of the power of compound interest. This means investing money early and regularly, allowing it to grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money will have to grow. Strategy 10. Set your financial goal. Finally, is to build wealth is simple but often overlooked. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether you want to save for a down payment on a house or aim to retire early, having a clear target in mind will make it easier to stay motivated and stay on track. Building wealth is achievable with a step-by-step strategy. By setting goals, saving consistently, diversifying your investments, planning for retirement, and being disciplined and patient, you can build wealth and attain financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your wealth building journey.